Today we're showing you an International 784 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor showing 400 hours on the tach, but the hours are obviously not accurate. Tractor has more hours than that on it. Don't know the exact hours of the tractor. Traded this tractor in out of Indiana. Tractor comes with a 2250 front loader. It was used on a small property. Tractor does show some wear, but it's got a lot of life in it yet. The tractor runs and operates good. Got a 7-foot front bucket. Again, shows a little wear there on the bottom. You can see where they did some repairs to it. 2250 quick attach front loader. It's got some hood missing on the paint, but it's pretty straight yet. Front tires are decent. Back tires have probably about 25% tread remaining. Power steering, it's got the newer style transmission, the 8x4 with the 2 separate shifters with the H pattern. It's a newer style, the 784s. It's got the rear hydraulic lever over there for your rear hydraulic outlet, and then your PTO as well as your 3-point position draft control levers. 2 brakes down below, joystick here to operate your loader. Looks like those fittings are leaking some oil there the way it looks. Got some rust on top of the fenders here, which is pretty normal for these tractors. Toolbox in the step there. Around the back, the tractor's got the top link with it. It's got the rear hydraulic outlet. It's got both PTOs, 540 and 1000 with the drawbar. Telescopic 3-point link, stabilizer chains with adjustment. It's a good running older tractor. Again, it was traded in out of Indiana. Tractor seems pretty solid yet. Traded to be a solid working tractor and haven't really found anything to the contrary. So the tractor will sell as it sits here, as is, as all our trade-ins like this do in the older tractors. Check it out, see what you think.